Imran Khan, born 5th October 1952, is a Pakistani politician, former cricketer, and philanthropist who served as the 22nd Prime Minister of Pakistan from 2018 to 2022. A global sports icon who captained Pakistan to its only Cricket World Cup victory in 1992, Khan later transitioned into politics, founding the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf (PTI). After decades of struggle, he rose to power on an anti-corruption platform but was removed from office in 2022 via a no-confidence vote. As of late 2025, he remains a central but polarized figure in Pakistani politics, currently incarcerated amidst numerous legal battles. 1. Early life and education background. Born in Lahore to an affluent Pashtun family, Niazi tribe. Education. He attended Eisen College in Lahore and the Royal Grammar School Worcester in England. He later graduated from Keble College, Oxford, in 1975 with a degree in philosophy, politics, and economics, PPE. To cricket career, 1971 to 1992. Khan is widely regarded as one of cricket's greatest all-rounders. Debut and style. Made his Test debut in 1971. He was known for his lethal fast bowling and aggressive batting. Captaincy. He captained Pakistan for 10 years, instilling a corner tiger spirit in the team. 1992 World Cup. In his final appearance for Pakistan at age 39, he led the team to victory in the 1992 Cricket World Cup, defeating England in the final. This win cemented his status as a national hero. 3. Philanthropy. Before entering politics, Khan focused on social work. Shaukat Khanum Memorial Cancer Hospital, founded in 1994 in memory of his mother. This was Pakistan's first cancer hospital offering free treatment to the poor. Namal University. He established this university in Mianmar to provide higher education to rural youth. 4. Political journey. 1996 to 2018, founding PTI. In 1996, he launched the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf movement for justice. For years, the party remained on the fringes, winning only one seat, Khan's own, in the 2002 election. Rise to prominence. By 2011, PTI gained massive popularity among the youth and middle class, campaigning against the corruption of established dynastic parties, PMLN and PPP. 2018 victory. PTI won the 2018 general elections, and Khan was sworn in as Prime Minister. 5. Prime Minister of Pakistan, 2018 to 2022. Domestic policies. His Naya Pakistan vision focused on a welfare state, Riyasati Medina. Key initiatives included the Ehsaas Poverty Alleviation Program and the Sehat Sahulat Universal Health Insurance Card. Foreign policy. He advocated for a balanced relationship with the US, strengthened ties with China and Turkey, and vehemently criticized Islamophobia on global platforms. Challenges. His tenure was marred by economic inflation, a falling currency, and opposition accusations of governance failures. Removal. In April 2022, he became the first Pakistani PM to be removed through a parliamentary vote of no confidence, which he alleged was part of a US-backed conspiracy, a claim Washington denied. 6. Legal battles and imprisonment, 2022 present. Since his ouster, Khan has faced over 150 legal cases ranging from corruption to treason. August 2023 arrest. He was arrested and imprisoned in Adyala Jail, Rawalpindi. Key cases. Tosha Khana case, convicted of illegally selling state gifts. He was sentenced to 3 years, August 2023, and later 14 years, January 2024. Cypher case, sentenced to 10 years for leaking state secrets, January 2024, but acquitted by the High Court in June 2024. Iddat case, sentenced to 7 years for an un-Islamic marriage, February 2024. He was acquitted in July 2024. Revolving door, detention, despite acquittals or suspended sentences in major cases, Cypher. Iddat, Tosha Khana, authorities have repeatedly arrested him in new cases, such as new Tosha Khana charges, immediately upon release orders, keeping him incarcerated. Status in late 2025, Khan remains in Adyala jail. Recent reports from Nov DEC 2025 highlight concerns from his family regarding his isolation, health, and lack of access to legal counsel. 7. 2024 elections and political relevance. Despite being barred from running and his party being stripped of its election symbol, the cricket bat, PTI-backed independent candidates won the most seats in the February 2024 general elections. This result underscored his enduring popularity and control over his voter base, even from behind bars. 8. Personal life. Khan has been married 3 times. Jemima Goldsmith, 1995 to 2004, a British socialite and filmmaker. They have 2 sons, Sulaiman and Qasim, who live in London. Rahim Khan, 2015, a British Pakistani journalist. The marriage ended in divorce after 10 months. Bushra Bibi, 2018, present, a spiritual guide. She was also imprisoned alongside Khan in the Iddat case but was released in October 2024.